Well, in this video, we'll be answering this question again. Well, again, it's about determining the equation, but changing information. Okay. So here, we're given two things. Some information in the graph, and some information in the equation. So in the equation, we're given the value of A. You can see that it's -1. And in the graph, we're given a point and some other point which is special. It's the y. This is the y-intercept over here. Y-intercept which covers C. Anyways, you are asked to determine the value of B and C. So C up to so far we got it. C equals equals 2, making G at x now -x squared plus bx then plus 2. Now it's a matter of finding B. That leads us to the next of the other information in the graph. That's this point. So for that point, for -4 and -1, this is going to be G at, no, it's no need for this. In the place of G at x, I'm going to plug -1 equals minus, in the place of x, I'm going to plug -4 because it's there, plus B, which is the unknown, into -4 again for x, plus 2. Now make B the subject. I'm going to take, let me simplify first. -1 equals, this is going to be -16. This is going to be -4b plus 2. Take these numbers to this side. So it's going to be -1 plus 16, going to be 15. Then -15 minus 2, then it's going to be 13 equals -4b. Then divide both sides by -4 by -4. This will make the value of b -30 over 4 there. So we found the values of B and C. And therefore, to complete or to help you in the following question, maybe you may complete the equation that G at x is now -x squared plus minus 13 over 4x for B plus 2. That will be the value of, the value of G at x in terms of x there. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.